Hi, personal finance class. Today we are in lesson 31. You're going to finish the video that you started watching. I'm assuming that some of you actually already finished it, or if you haven't started it yet, now you have to finish it. So the first thing that you'll do, right, in lesson 31, it tells us everything that we're doing today. But to find that video again, you're going into Schoology, you're going underneath renting versus owning, and it's this one that says Tiny, a story about living small. All right. And it is, it's about an hour and a half, hour and 40 minutes long. So if you have not watched, or sorry, it's about an hour long total. If you haven't started watching it yet, that's what you need to do. If you have started it, just finish it. If this video, for whatever reason, is not working for you, let me know and we'll get something figured out so that way you can watch it on a different platform. But anyway, finish watching that. And then on the lesson there, you'll notice that I've got a reflection, and that's what you need to do for attendance. All right, so on the lesson, you've got this reflection here. So you make a copy of this, right? File, make a copy, okay? And then you can edit it. Just answer these questions for me. These first three are pretty straightforward. And then what I want you to think about is if we said, okay, everyone in the state of Minnesota has to move into a tiny house. All right, so imagine that. All right, what are 10 things that you would take with you for sure? You can't live without them. And then what are some things that you could get rid of? All right, you could kind of downsize in your life that you do not necessarily need to bring with you. All right, so think about those things, put them in here. And then at the bottom here, this is a quote that you'll notice as you're watching this. And so tell me what you think this means. A person's idea of an ideal house would be where the outside draws you in, right, and the inside draws you out. Okay, so what does that person mean by when they're saying that, right? What do you think they mean by that? So just tell me about that. Tell me if you agree with them or if you disagree. What do you want your ideal house to be, right? So that's one person's explanation of their ideal house. What do you want your ideal house to look like? And then the last one here is what are some things you cut back on, donate, or spend less money on that you don't really need, all right? So list three possible things, three different things down here. Okay, and make sure you share it with me when you are done so you get credit for attendance today. And that's all I've got for you.